In this video, I'm going to show you an easier way of getting a glued bellow out of a clock case versus using a utility knife in which you scrape along the end of the bellow until it comes open. Here I have a Master Mechanic universal tool, and when you turn it on, the blade vibrates back and forth. So and this is a quarter-hour cuckoo clock, in which they're novelty clocks. They're almost all glued in, the German-made ones, but it would help if I could see better, but we're almost through. I think we are through. It's just that there's something catching. You can see the bellow is loose. Give it one more swipe. I think it's stuck around the hole itself. I used this method earlier today on some different type of novelty clocks, and I liked it. But for something is holding this bellow up, and I don't know what it is, honestly. I went too far into the wood. Doing stuff on camera, things always go wrong. Well, there we have it out, and I could glue this back in and it will be just fine. And there was no topper on it, so I'm going to have to find a top piece. But anyway, something to think about. It's a lot safer than using a utility knife. My blade is, I've had this thing for several years. Sharpening up the blade or thinning out the blade, you would have better results. Hope y'all like this. Please hit the subscribe button. God bless.